In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can place a trade in MT4. So you want to select the quotes tab, right? Select the pair that you want to trade, let's say USD JPY, and then select trade. Here you have the option to buy or sell at the current market price, or you have the option to set a pending order. So here at the top where you see market execution, that will make the trade at the current market price. However, when you select the icon to drop down, you have the option to go with a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, a sell stop, a buy stop limit, or a sell stop limit. So you'd use a buy limit when you expect price to drop to a support and then start going up. Sell limit is the reverse. Now buy stop is when you expect price to say break above a resistance and then continue going upwards. Sell stop is the opposite. I hope that helps. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.